This is grade 4 Olympiad math book. So let's move to the chapter 1. Chapter 1 is number sense. So the number sense name itself indicates that it is basically of numerals, number names, 4-digit numbers or 5-digit numbers, place values, expanded form, Roman numerals, formation of the numbers, ascending and descending order. So let's move to the first question. That is 100 tens. That means 100 times tens. So here 1 times 1 is 1 and 3 zeros are there, that is equal to 1000. So option A is 10 lakh, option B 100,000, option C 10,000, option 4 is 1000. So instead of giving 1000, they gave in the numeral form along with this. So option D is the right answer. Then move on to the next question. There is a clue here using digits. So some digits are given. Let us see what digits are those. 9, 0, 5, 2, 4. Each only once. Answer the following questions. By using these digits, we need to answer question number 2 and 3. Let's move to the second question now. Smallest 5-digit number formed is. Yes, you all know that how the smallest 5-digit number is formed. You cannot represent 0 as first number, because when you represent a 0 as first number, automatically this will be converted into 4-digit number instead of 5-digit number. So if you want 5-digit number, you need to start with the number, then go with the 0. So first number in this smaller number is 2, then I move to the 0, then next number is 4, then next is 5, then next is 9. So your option should be 20,459. 20,459 is given as option A, so this is the right answer. Largest 5-digit number having 0 at tens place. So ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So here they gave you the clue as 0 at tens place. So this is ones place, this is tens place. 0 should be at tens place, and largest 5-digit number. The number should be largest and 0 at. So automatically you know that the greater number is 9. Then next comes is 5. Next comes is 4. Then the last number is 2, because the clue is given as tens place should be 0. So this is the largest number, which 95,402. This is the option A. So third question, option A is the right answer. Then move on to the next question. The numbers shown on the abacus. This is the abacus format. So what are the numbers shown? You need to count the beads, then write the number here. That will be your answer. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beads are here. 2 beads are here. Nothing is there. So put a 0 here. 2 beads are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 52,275 is the right answer. 52,275. So option A is the right answer. The greatest 4-digit number with all digits different. The clue is given as every digit should be different and 5 at hundreds place. So ones, tens, hundreds, 1000. So only 4 digit numbers are given, so that means ones, tens, 100, 1000, and clue is given as 5 at hundreds place. Ones, tens, 100. So 5 should be at hundreds place and every digit should be separate. So 5 at hundreds place, we have the option this and this, and these digits are same, so this will not be the option. So option is C. This is the right answer. Then move on to the next question, question number 6. Expanded form of 84,926. So 84,926, you can directly write. See, first number is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. Easy way. And 4, 3 digits are zeros. Then 900 plus 20 plus 6. That makes 80,000, 4,920 and 6. 84,926. So option B is the right answer. 80,000, 4,926. Next, move on to the 7th question. Compare and fill in the box. These are called Roman numerals. Here, by looking the question itself, you'll understand C is 100, D is 500. So automatically this will be greater form. So here D is given. So you have to subtract. In the Roman numerals, you know the rule that if you have a greater number on your right hand side below the number, that means you need to subtract. So D is 500. 500 minus 100 makes 400. And here it started with the 500. This is 100. This is 100. So automatically it gives you 700 here in the direct question itself. So this will be the greater number. So option B will be the right answer. Then move on to the next question. Question number 8. In number 27,895, which of the following digit has same place value and face value? You all know, children, face value is the value same the number given itself. So only you need to check the place value. So one's place is the one which you have as 5. The place value and the place value also, place value and face value is same here. So option C is the same place value and face value. So option C is the right answer. Move on to the next question. Question number 9. Which of the following options shows the given numbers arranged in descending order? Descending order means, children, it is from bigger number to the smaller number, from big number to the smaller number. Here you have the 4 values given here. All values are starting with 38,000. So 38,000 some number, 38,000, 38,000, 38,000. So first we need to find the bigger value. So 38,750. 750 is not the bigger value. 75 is not the bigger value. 705, 775. When you compare all the till hundreds, please, it is 775 which comes first. In the option, we have to check for S. So option B is having the S. So let us check the remaining also. First comes S. So 38,775. After 775, we have a number of 750. So the value of 38,750 is B. So which comes after that? After 750, you have the number as 705. Next is R. Next, after 705, you have the number as 75. So that is Q. S, P, R and Q. This is the format which is going, and the option is B here. So descending order means big to small. Next question. Let's move on to the 10th question. 56,450 is same as. They gave in the number name. They gave the number name. You need to find how to represent that number name by using the digits. So here 56,000. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. So 450, 56,000. So 5 and 6 make 56,000. So 56450 is the right answer, which is option number B. So for the 10th question, option number B is the right answer, 56,450. Next, move on to the next question, question number 11. If in the number 25,468, the digits at thousands place and tens place are interchange. Interchange. Do you know, the children? Do you know what is the meaning of the interchange? Interchange means we are changing the number from that place to the other place. And which place you need to change? You need to change thousands place and tens place. Thousands place number, you need to put it in the tens place, and tens place number, you need to put it in the thousands place. So actual number they have given us 25,468. We are changing tens place and thousands place. So the number becomes 26,458. So the new number is greater and the given number is a smaller one. So then the original number is dash the new number. Original number is smaller number than the new number form. So option B is the right answer for question number 11. Next, move on to the next question, question number 12. The number on the hat shows the best estimate of which of the following numbers. See, on the hat, what is the number showing? It is representing as 300. So 300 nearest number. 195 cannot be nearest to 300. So 20 cannot be nearest to 300. 205, there is a 95 difference, so it cannot be, and 305 we can round off to 300, right? So the question itself indicates that hat shows the best estimate. So 305 is the best estimation for 300. So option D is the right answer. Next, move on to the question number 13. Which of the following statements is correct? So they have given some statements, so you need to check which statement is right. So here they have given some values for P, Q, R and S, and all the buckets is having 2009 ml or 2799 ml or 2750 or 2790. So let us check which one is the right option. P is the largest among all the numbers. P is having the value of 2709 and 2799 also we have, so this cannot be the largest one, so this is not the option, this is wrong. Next question is S is the smallest among all the numbers. Is S the smallest among all the numbers? It is given as 90 and this is the smallest one because this is single digit number 9 here, so 2709 is the smallest number, so this is the wrong option. Then P is the smallest among all the numbers. Yes. See, the value of P is 2709. The value of any other numbers is less than 2709? No, it is all more than 2709. So option C is the right answer. P is smallest among all the numbers. R is largest among all the numbers. R cannot be largest because we have 99. So 2799 is largest. So this cannot be the option. So option C is the right answer for question number 13. Next, move on to the question number 14. Which of the following is meaningless? Meaningless means it doesn't make any sense. In Roman numbers, we have some rules which you need to follow. If the greater number is next to it, you need to subtract, or if the values are considered, we have taken some other values as L, C, D, etc. So here let us see which is meaningless. X and 5, you all know that X means 10 and V means 5, which makes 15. So this is meaning, it has a meaning for this. And X1 represents X is 10, 1 and X makes 9. So 1 and X makes 9. So 10 plus 9 makes 19. So this is also this representation also has a meaning to it. And here 1x makes 9 and 4. 94 cannot come like this. 90 cannot be like this. 110 makes 90. But here it is given as 9 and 4. So which is cannot be represented in any format like that. So option C is the right answer for this question, which doesn't have any sense to it. Let us check this also. 10 and 10 makes 20 and 1 and V makes 4. So 20 and 4 makes 24. 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. So this also has the meaning. Only in the statement, this doesn't make any sense. 94 cannot be represented after 39. The representations will be different and 94 cannot be represented this. So this is meaningless. Next, move on to the next question, 15. Question number 15 is given as 12,546 is 12,500. They just round off the number 546 to 500 because it is less than 50. If it is equal to 50 or more than 50, we'll round off to the next number, but it is less than 50. That's why you need to consider the before number, that is 12,500. When round off to the nearest, this is the nearest number to it and it is the rounding off. Everyone knows that. Then the question is asking round off to the nearest what? How can we consider? Because we are considering 46, so it is round off to the nearest 100. So option B is the right answer for question number 15. Moving on to question number 16. Which of the following is greatest? Greatest means the bigger number out of this. There are Roman numerals given, from that we need to find the greatest one. D represents 500. XL represents 40 because L is 50. 50 minus 10 makes 40 and this is 7. So 547. Moving to the next one. D represents 500. Everyone knows that. 500 minus 100 makes 400. L is 50 and 2. It is 452. M is 1000. C is 100. 1000 minus 100 is 900. And C is 100 minus 10 makes 90. 990. Then M is 1000. 1000 minus 100 is 900. L is 50, X is 10, and this is 6, 966. So here the greater number out of all this 547, 452, 990, 966, this is the greater value. So option C is the right answer, 990. Move on to the next question, question number 17. Round off 34,519 to the nearest thousands. 519 less than 50, so it will be round off to 35,000. So option B is the right answer, because if it is less than 50 we move to the before number. If it is more than 50 we move to the next number. So here 34,519 makes 34,519. It is 500 more, so it is not less than 500, so it is more than 500, so we can round off from 35,000. Moving on to the next question, which should not be placed in the box to have the numbers in order form from greatest to least. From greatest to least, which should not be placed. Should not, that means the number which should not be placed. Here 7,000 it is given, and this is 5,000, this is nothing, we need to find this, and this is 2,000. So when you look into greatest to the least, you can represent lesser than 5. You can so it might be 5,611, but here they ask which should not be placed. This you can place because it is 431, this is 341. This also you can place to make it a greater to least. Because 5,642, this is 3,431. This also you can place because this is greatest to least. After this number goes, so they are asking which should not be placed. So this is the option D, which you cannot place because this is greater than this. So that is the reason you cannot place this number. You can place the other three numbers here. Moving on to the next question, question number 19. Which of the following is same as 80,403? So in first digit is 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros plus zeros here, then again 400 plus 0, 0 plus 3. You can write this as 1s, 10s, 100,000, 10,000, 80,403. 80,403. This is the right option. Moving on to the next question. The smallest 5-digit number. We already discussed how to frame a 4-digit number or a 5-digit number formed by using the given digits. So there are digits given and you have to use the digits only once. So you need to find the smallest number. I already intimated you that 0 should not come front. If 0 comes front, that becomes a 4-digit number. So it should be start with the smallest number, then go on with a 0. So 2, 0, 3, then comes 4, then comes 6. So this is the smallest 5-digit number. So option D is the right answer. Then move on to the next question, question number 21. These are all related to everyday mathematics, which we can apply in our day-to-day life. A city has a population of 92,582. Round off the population to the nearest 100. So it is 582. So you have to round off, because it is more than 550. You need to round off to 92,600. Okay, this option B is the right answer for question number 21. Then move on to the question number 22. If there are 25,632 seats in Stadium P, in P they have 25,632 and 30,654 seats in Stadium Q and 15,620 seats in Stadium R. Then in which stadium the number of seats were least? Least means less seats. Least is less. So 25,000, 30,000, 15,000. So Out of 25, 30 and 15, so 15 goes with the lesser value, so this is R. So option R is the right answer for question number 22. Then move on to the question number 23. The XYZ company estimated the cost to build a new baseball stadium, which in rupees 94,000. What is this number in numeral form? So they gave in the form of number name, you need to write it in the numeral form. 94,000. 94, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 94,000. This is option B. This is 90,400. This is 90,004. This is 90,040. They asked you 400. 94,000. 94,000 is option number B. Move on to the next question. Question number 24. Kavya bought the given washing machine. The tag on the machine is the price of the machine. The tag on the machine is 58,600. That is the washing machine price. After rounding it off to the nearest 100, so nearest 100, it is already to the nearest hundreds. Which of the following could be the price of the washing machine? Washing machine price, we have some other value and they have rounded it off to 58,600. So which goes to the 58,652. It is more than 652. 58,595, 58,485, 59,584. So option C will be the right answer because it is 58,595. 595 you can round off to 58,600. So 58,600 is the tag given here. So option C is the right answer. Then move on to the next question. Question number 25. Mr. Sharma invited ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 lakh, 2,76,000, 15 guests in his daughter's marriage. Which of the following options shows the correct number name for number of guests invited by him? This is the number given. You need to find the number name for this. Let us see. 2 lakh. Here for ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. So 2,76,015. 2,76,905. There is no 905, so this is not the right answer. 2,76,015. 2,76,015. So option B is the right answer. Even though that is the right answer, let us check the other two also. 27 lakh. 27 lakh 6,095. 6,095. It is 15, so that given 95. So this is wrong option. 27 lakh 6,905. There is no 900 here, so this is wrong answer. So for question number 25, option B is the right answer. 2,76,015. Now let us move on to the achiever session. High order thinking skills. What means high order thinking skills? Which of the following statement is incorrect? Symbols VLD can never be subtracted while writing Roman numerals. Will it be subtracted? From L, you cannot subtract. From D, D is 500. Will you be subtracted? Can never be subtracted while writing Roman numerals. They can be subtracted. If you are taking value smaller than prior, then definitely you need to subtract from this number to that number. So this is wrong. Symbol I can be subtracted. They're asking, this is the right statement, and they're asking for incorrect statement. Symbol I can be represented from V and X only once. Yes, definitely. Suppose if you are considering 1V, that means 4. V1, that means 6. 1X, that means 9. X1, that means 11. So this is also right statement. Symbol X cannot be subtracted from L. It can be subtracted. They said cannot be subtracted. So option this is incorrect. Because X and L, we already discussed one question related to this. So if X and L is given, so you'll subtract this number with this number. So this is the incorrect statement. It can be subtracted, it cannot be subtracted as given, so this is incorrect statement. Move on to the next question. Question number 27. Match the following. Column 1 is given, column 2 is given. You need to match it and you need to find the answer from the options given. What is the meaning of successor? Predecessor is before number, successor is after number. Successor means it's after number. What comes after this? 92, 6542, 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh. 9 lakh 26,542. So what comes after that? 9,26,543. So successor of this is 92,000. 9,26,543. Smallest 5-digit number. What is the smallest 5-digit number? Smallest 5-digit number is 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000. It's 1000. 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number. Place value of 2 in is 2000 in 1s, 10s, 100, 1000. What is the place value of 2? 1s, 10s, 100, 1000. What is the place value of 2? Is 2000. Where you have the place value of 2000? Here you have. So this goes with Q. Next, 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh. 1 lakh 39 when rounded off to the nearest 100. So it will be definitely, because less than 50, it will be this R. So 1 represents S, 1 represents S, 2 represents smallest 5-digit number P, and 3 represents Q, and this represents R. So S, P, Q, R. 1S, 2P, 3Q, 4R. So option A is the right answer for this. Moving on to the next question. Question number 28. Which of the following is correct about the number 54,378? Expanded form of the number 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000, 4,000, 370 plus 8. The number has 8 at 1's place, 7 at 10's place, 3 at 100's place, 4 at 10,000's place, and 5 at lakh's place. Wrong. The statement is wrong. Next, round off the number to nearest to 1000 gives 54,000. This is less than 500. So nearest to that is 54,000. The statement is correct. Expanded form will be 1, 2, 3, 4 digits, and here 3 digits and 2 digits and 1 digit. So statement is correct. The number at 8 is 1's place, 7 is 10's place, 3 is 100's place, 4 is 1000's place, 5 is 10,000's place. So this statement is right. 1, 2, 3, all are right. So all of these is the answer. 29th question. P, Q, R and S are 5-digit numbers. Okay, P, Q, R and S are 5-digit numbers. Okay, each having the digit 9 only once and in the place shown. None of the other digits are known. Okay, which of the following statements is correct about P, Q, R and S? Okay, 1s, 10s, 100s, 1000 and 10,000. And here 1s, 10s, this is 100s place. 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, this is 10,000 place. Then this is 10s place. Okay, S is the smallest of the 4 number. A, statement A, S. Where is S? S is smallest of the 4 numbers. Yes, of course. 1s, 10s place. So 90. P is larger than R. This is P. P value is 1s, 10s, 100, 1000. So 9,000. And R is 900. P is larger than R. This is 9,000. This is 900. Okay. Q is the largest of the 4 numbers. Yes, right. ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. This is thousands place, this is in hundreds place, this is in tens place. But this is the largest of the four numbers. This is the right statement. R is the smallest of the four numbers, which is R. R is not the smallest. Here S is the smallest. Okay. So option C, Q is the largest one of the four numbers. Move on to the next question. Compare and fill in the boxes using greater, less or equal to. L is 50 and this is 4. So 50 and C is 100, X is 10, so it makes 90 plus 9, 99. L is 50, this is 100, 50, this is 10, 50 minus 10, 40 plus 6, 46. This is 99. C is 100, 100, 200, 205. C is 100, X is 10, 90 plus 5 makes 95. So option A, this is 54 and this is 99. So this is greater one. Next is L is 50 and this is 10, this makes 40 plus 4 plus 44, this is 46, so this is greater one. And here 100, 100, 205 and this is 95. So 205 is the greater one. So which has this option? C has this option, greater, greater, and this is, so option C is the right answer for this. You are done with the number sense chapter 1. I hope it's clear. All the 30 questions are clear and it is very easy to practice them. Only thing is you need to understand the question well. Read twice to understand the question and then practice.